Hi everybody, Aaron again with Bioacademics. We're talking about physics as it applies to planar relationships. So when we're dealing with a plane, we're dealing with, by definition, any 3 points in space and them relative to each other. So if I have a point here and here and here, all of those will essentially make some kind of plane. In this case, if we have this board to relate every which possible plane, in which there are infinite potential planes, they're all relative to 3 specific points. So I drew a few points on here to use for reference. So no matter where those points are, even if they're on the board, they're defining where exactly that board is sitting in space. And just by having those 3, we can say specifically where we would see this board as being presented. Now, as far as relating it back to a grander scale, we're dealing with how these planes fit into a coordinate system. So think X, Y, and Z axis. If we had a length, a height, and a width to every possible orientation that there is, you might be familiar with how a body is oriented in space in the sagittal or frontal or transverse planes, and how those respectively relate to the body. XYZ is just a way that we can take a grander scale look at a body in space and tell exactly where it is and where it's going to when it moves throughout that space.